Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 18A of chapter 18, area of a trapezium. One question is written here, question number 7. In this question, the area of a trapezium is 180 cm square. The area of a trapezium is 180 cm square and its height is 9 cm. If one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6 cm, find the two parallel sides. Students, we know that area of a trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Here given one side is longer than the other by 6 cm. So let one side A equal to x and other sides B equal to x plus 6. According to question, area of a trapezium, area of the trapezium, area of the trapezium equal to 180 cm square. That implies formula is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So A plus B into H equal to 180. 1 by 2 into A is x and B is x plus 6 into H is 9 cm equal to 180. Next step is 1 by 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 6 into 9 equal to 180. Here 9 and 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 by transposition, that implies 2x plus 6 equal to 180 into 9 by 2 by transposition change into 2 by 9. So 180 into 2 by 9. 9 to the 80, 20. That implies 2x plus 6 equal to 20 to the 40. 2x equal to 40 minus 6 equal to 34. That implies x equal to 34 by 2 equal to 17 cm. Therefore, A equal to x equal to 17 cm and B equal to x plus 6 equal to 17 plus 6 equal to 23. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9 of exercise 18A. In this question, the length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 130 meter and side AB is perpendicular to each other, each of the parallel sides AD and BC. If BC equal to 54 meter, CD equal to 19 meter and AD equal to 42 meter, find the area of the field. Here given fence. Fence means perimeter. So perimeter of this field is 130 meter. BC equal to 54 meter. CD equal to 19 meter. And AD equal to 42 meter. So find the area of the field. Area of the field, area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Here parallel sides are given 42 meter and 54 meter, but height is not found. So let height be h. Perimeter is given 130 meter. Let height be h. So according to question, first of all perimeter equal to 130 meter. Perimeter equal to sum of parallel sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD equal to 130. That implies AB equal to H plus BC equal to 54 plus CD equal to 19 and AD equal to 42 equal to 130. That implies H plus, add them, 2 plus 9, 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4, 15 of 5, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 115 equal to 130. That implies H equal to 130 minus 115 equal to 15 meter. Height is 15 meter. Now find area of trapezium. Therefore, area of trapezium ABCD. Area of trapezium ABCD. 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So 54 plus 42 into height. Height is 15. Equal to 1 by 2 into added 4 plus 2 6 and 5 plus 4 9. 96 into 15. 96 divided by 2. 48 equal to 48 meter into 15 meter equal to 720 meter square answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10 of exercise 18A. In this question, In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AD parallel BC, angle AB is equal to 90 degree, AD equal to 16 cm, BC equal to 40 cm, and AC equal to 41 cm. Find the area of the trapezium. First of all, we know that area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. So AB is height. Suppose height is h. So in right triangle, ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AB equal to h equal to under root AC is hypotenuse here, longest side AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square equal to under root 41 square minus 40 square equal to 41 square is 1681 minus 40 square 1600 equal to 81 600 1681 minus 1600 equal to under root 81. The square root of 81 is 9 cm. So height h is 9 cm. Find the area of trapezium. Therefore, area of trapezium ABCD. Area of trapezium ABCD equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. (40 cm plus 16 cm) into height. Height is 9 cm. Equal to 1 by 2 into 40 plus 16, 56 into 9. 56 divisible by 2, 28 times. Equal to 28 cm into 9 cm. 28 into 9 equal to 252 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 12 of exercise 18A. Today it is last question also. In this question, the parallel sides of a trapezium are 25 cm and 11 cm, while its non-parallel sides are 15 cm and 13 cm. So find the area of the trapezium. Suppose ABCD be a trapezium. A, B, C and D. (11 cm), 25 cm, non-parallel sides 15 cm, and this side 13 cm. Construction. Draw C parallel to DA. Draw C parallel to DA. So draw C parallel DA. So DA equal to C. It is 15 cm. And CD equal to AE 11 cm. So EB equal to 25 minus 11 14 cm. Construct a perpendicular CM perpendicular to AB. Let CM equal to H, height. So find height in triangle CBE. In triangle CBE, by Hero's formula, find S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2 equal to 41, 42 by 2 equal to 21 cm. So area of triangle CBE, area of triangle CBE by Hero's formula, under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Right here, under root S is 21 into 21 minus 13. 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15 equal to under root 21 into 21 minus 13, 8. 21 minus 14, 7. 21 minus 15, 6. Now factorize it. 21, 3 into 7, 8, 2 into 4 into 7 and 6, 2 into 3. So make a pair, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3, 4 is only single, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 and 7 into 7. A square root of 2 into 2 is 2, 3 into 3 is 3, a square root of 4 is 2, into a square root of 7 is 7, equal to 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84. So 84 cm square. Area of this triangle is 84 cm square. So find height equal to 2 into area by base equal to 2 into 84 by 14. 7 to the 14 and 12 7 ja 84. 12 cm. Therefore, area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So 25 into 11 into height 12. 12 divisible by 2 by 6 times. So 25 plus 11 36 into 6 equal to 6 6 are 36 of 6 carry 3 and 21. 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21. 216 cm square answer. Understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 18A. Thank you. That's all.